This short video will show you how to operate the main functions on a Breitling Aerospace watch. To set the time, turn the crown to display home time. Turning the crown also switches on the backlight for a short period. Pull the crown out to enter time setting mode. Turn the crown quickly to set the hours and slowly to set the minutes. Then press the crown in and the seconds will flash. Press the crown in again to 0 the seconds and complete the time setting. In this mode, the crown can be pressed for an audible readout of the time. To set the date, turn the crown to display the date. Pull out the crown to enter date setting mode. Turn the crown to set the month, the number on the left, and the date, the number on the right. Then press the crown in to complete setting the date. To set the day, turn the crown to display the day. Pull out the crown to enter day setting mode. Turn the crown to set the day, shown on the left, in the correct language, shown on the right. Then press the crown in to complete setting the day. To use the counter timer, turn the crown to show TM in the top display. Pull out the crown to enter countdown timer setting mode. Turn the crown to set the duration of the countdown. Then press the crown in to start the countdown. The countdown can be cancelled by pressing and holding the crown in. An alarm will sound when the countdown timer reaches 0. Press the crown in to silence it. To use the second time zone display, turn the crown to show T2 in the top display. Pull out the crown to enter second time zone setting mode. Turn the crown to set the second time zone. The time will change in half-hour increments. Then press the crown in to complete setting the second time zone. In this mode, pressing the crown in will also cycle between 12 and 24-hour displays. To use the chronograph, turn the crown to show CHR in the top display. Press the crown in to start the chronograph. Then press it again to stop it. The chronograph is reset by pressing and holding the crown in. To use the alarm, turn the crown to show AL in the top display. Pull out the crown to enter alarm setting mode. Turn the crown quickly to set the hours and slowly to set the minutes. Then press the crown in to complete setting the alarm. When the alarm sounds, it can be silenced by pressing the crown in. Pressing the crown in will also cycle between alarm on and off. If the hands become misaligned, they can be manually adjusted. Turn the crown until both displays are off. Pull out the crown to enter hand realignment mode. Turn the crown quickly to set the hours and slowly to set the minutes to match the analog hands to the digital display. Then press the crown in to complete hand realignment. Check the manufacturer's instructions for more advice on your model. Discover more exceptional watches at watchfinder.co.uk. If you enjoyed this video, please like and subscribe. If there are any other watches you'd like to see reviewed, please let us know in the comments below.